Hello everyone! I don't know for you, but for me, I'm really tired of this wet, grey and bad weather like that. While I'm waiting for the summer to come, I want to make a very fast and easy crossback top. And this time I will be making a PDF for you that you will be able to find in the description box. I haven't tried this top yet, so it will be a complete discovery for me and I hope it will work. I want to make this project under 2 hours, so I will set up a chronometer for that. It will be behind me and you will be able to see this all around this project. Let's go! The pattern is done. It took me 10 minutes to make it. Now it's time to cut it on the fabric. It will be fully lined, so you will need to cut 2 pieces of each part of the pattern. "41 minutes. Now it's time to put everything together. First, pin and sew this part, the larger one, and this one. This part is done.
Oops.
Always press your seam. Time to fold your stripes and to sew it. Now it's time to go to the ironing board. It's hot here. For these pieces, you need to fold it twice in the middle and then without burning yourself to iron it. Okay, and then fold it once again in the middle. There. Once you have ironed everything, it's time to pin almost everything together. So let's make this. And take your small pieces, put them under the armhole and around your waist. Okay, and now it's time to put the shoulders, like the stripes. Et voilà, almost done. Take your other part, pin it all around. You need to leave a small gap to turn everything inside out at the end. Put everything inside. Time to sew it. As usual, clip your curved seams and some excess fabric. Now it's the moment of truth. Let's see what the chronometer says. Yeah. I have time to iron it and then close by hand the tiny hole. Ta-da! Done! Let's see. Yeah! I guess we can say we've made it. Now it's time for the reveal, and I hope everything will be okay. One last time. Look, it's done! What do you think? See the back? Full turn. I'm pretty happy with the result. I only changed the side pieces because it was too wide and too long. But I will put all of this modification in the PDF. So don't worry, you won't make the same mistake. I hope you enjoyed it and I will see you next time.